When I heat treat, I put this box section in the oven. It makes it more of a radial heat than putting the heat directly onto the blade. Gives it more of a uniformal heat as well. Better for the heat treat, stops warping and stuff like that. Two more normalising cycles and then we'll quench. Just come out of the quench. As you can see, the grey colour, which says to me that it's probably going to have hardened, but we'll test it anyway. We go straight in with a 65 and it skates, which is a good thing, which means the blade is harder than the file. If you can't afford a set of hardness testers, you can always use a normal file, which will sometimes skate. Just be aware that if the file is harder than the blade, then it'll still bite in. So sometimes your blade could have hardened, but the file will bite in. Now we just give it a light going over with the 120 grit belt to get a shine on it, so when we put it in the oven we can see the temper colours. Look in the description and check out some of my other pages. Share it, like it, dislike it if you really want to. Thanks for watching.